ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi mo ní ìbéèrè ṣé ìbéèrè ò fàjà. Why is Iyabo not staying away from Wumi? Why is Iyabo not staying away from Wumi? Iyabo not staying away from Wumi, does that stop the justice for Mohbad? Iyabo not stay ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin ọlọ́gbọ́n, how has that stopped the justice for Mohbad? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ kàwé tẹ́ wà ní ẹ̀yin là ń bá sọ̀rọ̀. Torí all over social media ẹkún Iyabo no so báyìí. Iyabo should have stayed away from Wumi. Iyabo should have said, okay, she stays, she no stay. Ṣó gbé Wumi sẹ́yìn ṣó ń gbé kiri ni, because I don't understand. Ṣó pọn Wumi ni? How can you say bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe pọ̀ tó yìí? You people cannot look for the justice for Mohbad without attacking Iyabo. How can Iyabo put neck on all of you's head, including VGM, the king of manipulator? Because if you look at it very well, it doesn't stop the justice for Mohbad. Kò lè burúburú kó má kẹ́nìkan mọ́ ni. Wọ́n ní mò ń sọ fún yín lọ́rọ̀ Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ṣebí a rí bó ṣe ń lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọba èèyàn tó kú ọmọ kékeré mọ́lẹ̀ nìyẹn. I can't forgive her, can't for second chance. There is no evidence that Wumi buy Mohbad, but there is evidence of Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà touching a minor. Shetiri, and you people ẹgbẹ́ sórí, ẹ fún ní second chance, ẹ fún ní gbá, ẹ fún láwo. There is no evidence of Wumi buying Mohbad. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ máa ṣe nǹkan pẹ̀lú ọkàn kan torí Bíbélì sọ pé kó wá ẹ̀rí, kó wá ohun gbogbo dájúdájú, kò sì di eléyìí tó jẹ́ ẹ̀rí tó jó òótọ́ mú bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò sí evidence ẹyọ kan wípé Wumi pa Mohbad. Ókè kì í ṣe evidence but kò sí witness ẹyọ kan tó wà nílé yẹn tó sọ pé ọmọbìnrin yẹn pa ọkọ ẹ̀ ni. Buhari Ìjẹ̀ṣà nínú kámẹ́rà tó ti ń tọwọ́ bọ ọmọ lára ẹ̀dẹ̀ forgive ẹ̀. Is that not hypocrisy? Ẹ bá sọ pé ẹ máa gbàdúrà Ọlọ́run ò gbàdúrà yín. Now you are attacking Iyabo. Torí ẹni wèrè kan sọ pé Iyabo ló ní kẹ́ cancel ẹ̀. No, it was you people. Ẹ má di ilé Iyabo lórí. Ìkà ni gbogbo yín. Ọ̀dájú ni gbogbo yín. It wasn't Iyabo in any ramification that said they should cancel Naira Marley. It was even VDM said it. VDM said it. Kí ló dé náà? What is wrong with all of you? What exactly is you people's problem? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan náà? Look at this kini for an example. Only why is Iyabo Ojo finding it difficult to stay away from Wumi and Mohbad? Is she with them? Is any suru? When you say stay away, is she living with them? You see her once or twice, and you people are always angry. Bóyá ẹjọ́ rí one party, àbí did you see her living together with Wumi? If you say she should stay away, or is she following Wumi to court? So what are you guys even talking about? Ṣé o bá ṣe pé ẹ kò fẹ́ bully ọmọ yẹn ni? This doesn't stop you from your justice for Mohbad. It shows that you people don't have evidence of anything that you're saying. You just want to bully this woman, and you feel because ọwọ́ yín ò ká Wumi, it was Iyabo. It wasn't Iyabo. It was the truth that is making you feel like ẹ̀ ń ṣàṣẹ̀dànù lórí justice for Mohbad. It was the truth that makes all of you feel like justice for Mohbad yìí o, nǹkan báyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ o, wọ́n mọ̀ ń da justice ìlú ni, kò sí nǹkan kan bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin lẹ wà delusional, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní evidence, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní proof, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní witness, tẹ́ ẹ̀ dẹ̀ fẹ́ pa ọmọ ọlọ́mọ sọnù torí pé ẹ feel ẹ sì ń bẹ́ẹ̀ o, kì í ṣojú yín o, ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé yẹn o, but because you feel that òun ló máa jẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ fẹ́ pa ọmọ ọlọ́mọ sọnù, ẹ dẹ̀ tún mú Ìyábọ̀, ẹ dẹ̀ tún búlí ẹ pé kí ló dé tí ò fi Wùmí sílẹ̀. Ṣé ó gbé Wùmí sórí bíi gúgúrú tó ń kiri ẹ̀ kiri ni because orí yín ò pé lórí social media? Ṣé ó gbé Wùmí sórí bíi gúgúrú tó ń kiri ẹ̀ kiri? Ẹ máa gbọ́ o. Ó ní even if Wumi is giving her huge amount of money every month, by now I expect her to have stopped supporting Wumi. Wumi go ní owó, ṣé Wumi ní owó pé more than look at how that. ṣebí woman wòlíì ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. Look at how that báwọn èèyàn ṣe ronú. Ìyẹn èèyàn kan dẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí o. In fact kò ní ìdí kan sọ fún yín pé Ìyábọ̀ ló tún fún Wùmí lówó because ọmọ yẹn ò ṣiṣẹ́ ńgbà tó ń fẹ́ Mohbad náà. Gbogbo owó Mohbad dẹ̀rẹ̀ wọn release ẹ̀bùn ẹjọ́ ṣé àkáǹtì Mohbad ṣọwọ́ ẹ̀ ló wà ní. Gbogbo owó Mohbad they did not release it for him for her. Òṣèlú royalty náà lè já fún yín ọmọ iṣẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń tarun ni. So owó wo ibo ló tẹ̀ fẹ́ rówó tó fẹ́ gbé fún Ìyábọ̀ ó mà ṣe ọmọ kékeré ọmọ 22 àti Ìyábọ̀ tó ní different businesses tó jẹ́ pé actress ni ó influence káàkiri. Ṣebí bíbá ẹ̀ la wà tí wèrè kan sunkún lójoojúmọ́ pé Ìyábọ̀ ò ní owó lọ́wọ́ Ìyábọ̀ ò ní nǹkan kan. Kí ni Wùmí wá ní Wùmí tí ò influence tí ò ní nǹkan kan kí ló wá ní tó fẹ́ fún èlò ló ń tarun tí Wùmí gbé irun 500,000 èlò ló wá ní èlò ló ń pa asanwóolé asanwó oúnjẹ ọmọ máa lọ school kó tiẹ̀ tó gbọ́ bùkátà rẹ̀ tábà sọ pé òun ló tún fẹ́ lọ gbé owó fún Kúmọ̀ tí Wùmí fẹ́ gbé owó fún Kúmọ̀ dà Wùmí máa kán sí méjì báyìí ní pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tá a mọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn sí pé kò sí nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ ọmọ yẹn. You guys just want to bully this woman. That is just it. Èlò ló wà lọ́wọ́ Wùmí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ náà gba ilé ọkọ ẹ̀ ilé tọkọ ẹ̀ kú sí náà gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tí rẹ́ǹtì ẹ̀ expire tán lé wọn dà tán lé tọmọtọmọ kúrò ńbẹ̀ àbí ó lówó lọ́wọ́ mọ́tò Mohbad tó ṣẹ̀ gbà náà gbà padà pé Mohbad part payment ló ṣì san. Kí wà ní Wùmí ní ẹ̀rí tó máa ṣe TikTok ẹ wá bóun rarun o ẹjọ́ o ìyá mo máa jẹun o ẹ wá bóun rarun o kíní kan ṣé èèyàn tó fẹ́ fún Ìyábọ̀ lówó ni ẹ̀rí Ìyábọ̀ tó jókòó sórí TikTok yìí ẹ máa lo ọpọlọ at this point ẹjọ́ ẹ lo ọpọlọ ó wà ń bẹ̀ bọ́ ẹ kì í lò ó ni ó ti kú síbẹ̀. Ó ní I expect her to have stopped supporting Wùmí so Ìyábọ̀ supporting Wùmí does that stop you from getting the justice you want to get because kò dira wọn lọ́rùn náà ó ní ojú ọ̀rọ̀ ó tẹ́yẹ fò láì farakanra ẹ̀yin tẹ́lẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe justice kí là á dá fún yín gbogbo owó la ti dá fún yín gbogbo nǹkan la ti ṣe fún yín ẹ gba SAN ẹ ṣe autopsy ẹ gba lọ́ọ̀yà ẹ gba barrister àbúrò bàbá Mohbad lówó ó ń dóbò kiri kí lẹ tún wá fẹ́. Nothing is stopping you guys is because àṣetì lẹ fi fíìmù pé kí wọ́n máa attack Ìyábọ̀ okay tí Ìyábọ̀ bá fi Wùmí sílẹ̀ ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Does that change the fact that you people still don't have any evidence against someone? These people are fools. Does that change the fact that ní ẹ̀rí kankan against someone as of today? Ojoojúmọ́ lẹ́ sunkún. Fídíò tí mo rí comment kan tó sọ pé fídíò tí Queen ṣe yẹn ó dùn yín ó máa ẹ máa Keku ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni because una papa bàbá yín tó kó yín jọ ìyẹn very dark pants kò ní evidence against ọmọbìnrin ó kàn fẹ́ bully ẹ̀. Kò fẹ́ kí Wùmí gbowó fẹ́ kọ́ lọ kówó yẹn fún bàbá Mohbad. Video tó sọ pé I work with evidence. Why is it hard for him to give us the evidence of Wùmí pa Mohbad? Think. I work with evidence. Kò sí ibi tí VDM ò tí lè dé. VDM tó hack WhatsApp group tó ti organize burial Mohbad tó lè lọ hack ẹ̀. Kò sí ibi tí VDM ò tí ní dé láti verify pé ṣé Wùmí ló pa Mohbad àbí láti mú evidence ẹ̀ jáde. Kò sí owó tí ò ní gbélẹ̀ láti mú evidence ta ló pa Mohbad jáde. Lèmi kí ló bá ń bẹ̀? Tẹ bá tún iṣu dé sàlẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan kan tẹ bá omi lẹ́wọ̀n bá ń bẹ̀ kò sí. Ìgbà tọ́mọ yẹn kò dirọ́ mẹ́rù ẹ̀ kò di nǹkan kan mẹ́rù ẹ̀. Ṣèbí báyìí náà tó bá yẹ pé Wùmí pa Mohbad torí owó ni ó yẹ kó ti ra Lamborghini náà ó yẹ kó ti ra lé sí Lẹ́kì náà ṣèbí rented house ọmọ yẹn ṣì ń gbé. Tí ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan kan lórí social media. Only majority of hatred towards Ìyábọ̀ and her children today was as a result of Wunmi refusing to conduct DNA test for Liam, and she still want to inherit Mohbad's property. Wunmi did not mọ̀mọ́ ṣé ẹ ti kú ni mọ̀mọ́ ṣé ẹ kú rí ni àbẹ́ ti kú rí àbí ṣé ẹ ya wèrè ni. Whereas Wunmi refused DNA test, they've given letter to Baba Mohbad. See the way these people have given. They say this over and over. I don't need to roll. We will never stop. We will continue to pepper with our eyes. The more you have, the narrative has gone out there that this girl refused DNA. She did not refuse. Are you following the case at all? Or you can tell Enuni? They've given the consent. Or she gave her consent. Let the DNA be conducted. Baba Mohbad ló sọ pé òun ò ṣe paternal DNA ní Nàìjíríà. Wípé òun fẹ́ lọ ṣe tissue based DNA ni. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fún gbogbo wọn ní opportunity láti lọ hospital wọn lọ mọ́ hospital wọn wá. Kí ló dé tí bàbá Mohbad ò tí ì ti ṣe tiẹ̀ láti sìn? Ṣèbí kóòtù ti fún wọn ní go ahead. Gbogbo wọn dẹ̀ ti submit hospital. Bàbá Mohbad ló tún ta gbogbo ẹ̀rù. Wípé òun ò fẹ́ kí kóòtù ṣe kíní o. Kí ló dé náà? No be the girl dey stop DNA. Na bàbá Mohbad wey no tí ò ní nǹkan ṣe. Òun ló ń fa wàhálà lójoojúmọ́. Ó ní mo dẹ̀ ń sọ pé kóòtù yẹn ló ti fa gbogbo nọ́ńsẹ̀sì. Tó bá jẹ́ pé develop country táwa wà, ìjọba ló máa ṣe. Ìjọba tí ìjọba bá ti mú wá lẹ máa gbà. Tó o bá gbà kó lọ kú. Wọn ò ní fún yín ní chance pé go and bring your own hospital. Gbogbo rárá tí bàbá Mohbad ń ṣe. Ṣèbí kéèsì wọn nǹkan tìjọba tẹ̀ sọ pé kó lọ ṣe DNA. Wípé àwọn náà máa ṣe. Mohbad sọ pé láyéláyé òun nìkan lòun fẹ́ dá nìkan ṣe, òun lòun fẹ́ mú pathologist òun wá, òun ò trust gbogbo hospital ní Nàìjíríà, òun ò trust gbogbo hospital ní Amẹ́ríkà. Ó ṣe ń sìn mo ní kí bàbá Mohbad mú DNA yẹn lọ sọ́run kó lọ jẹ́. Kí ló dé náà? Ẹni Wùmí fẹ́ jogún ọkọ ẹ̀. Bàbá Mohbad tó wá fẹ́ jogún ọmọ ńkọ́, èwo ló bàjì jù nínú méjèèjì? Èwo ló wọ́ọ̀sì jù nínú méjèèjì? Èèyàn máa ń ṣe é lẹ̀ fọ́mọ ni. Ṣebí gbogbo abá ṣe wà á ti mọ nǹkan tá a ti ṣe é lẹ̀ fáwọn ọmọ wa. Bàbá Mohbad fẹ́ jogún ọmọ. Èwo ló wọ̀ sínú Wùmí fẹ́ jogún àti bàbá Mohbad fẹ́ jogún? Ṣebí ìyàwó ẹ̀ ni ó dẹ̀ bímọ fún. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe marriage. Kí ló wá dé? Kí ló dé tẹ́ ìjẹ́ gbogbo omi tẹ́kàn sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá ti kó sí yín lẹ́nu ẹ dàbí robot ni ẹ máa pín kiri without even verifying anything. It was Baba Mohbad that stop it. Wọ́n ní kó ló kú lọ mú hospital wà kó wá ṣe DNA. Baba Mohbad tún padà lọ sí court. Hospital ti mú mi múlẹ̀. Hospital tó kì í ṣiṣẹ́ DNA. Kí ló dé tóun ò fi lọ ṣe tiẹ̀ pẹ̀lú hospital tiẹ̀? Ṣùgbọ́n ti fún oníkálukú ń go ahead. The man is institution. Baba Mohbad tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá dẹ́yìn lẹ́yìn ọmọbìnrin. Ẹ lè gbàbẹ̀ lọ. Kò wá owó yẹn máa lọ ó yà níbi tí Mohbad wá. Ẹ máa tẹ̀lé lọ síbẹ̀. Tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá fún ọmọbìnrin ní fọkànbalẹ̀. Kí ló dé náà? Abájọ tọmọ yẹn fi sá fún yín ìgbà tó wà láyé. Ṣé Mohbad ọmọ 20 something ṣé kò ní ṣe bó nǹkan ló yẹ kó sọ pé ọmọ yóò kì í ṣọmọ mi kó lọ ṣe DNA àbí ọmọ tó jábẹ́ yẹn odidi musician worldwide musician tí ò bá ń ṣọmọ hospital tó ti bí ọmọ yẹn ló yẹ kó ti rán DNA lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ẹni tó ń gbé ọmọ yẹn kiri lójoojúmọ́ tó tún tàtú orúkọ ọmọ yẹn sí ara bàbá Mohbad tí ò lè jẹun tébi ń pa òun ló ń jà kiri bàbá Mohbad ojú lẹ́fìrí kò lè báyìí kò lè kàn yín tó bá parí DNA yẹn tó bá ti lè jẹ́ mú Liam ló ní final say kò tiẹ̀ kí láti ẹ̀ sọ ọmọ tí Mohbad bí ló máa ní gbogbo property Mohbad bí òfin ṣe rí nìyẹn wọn ò ní fún yín kankan ibi máa pa yín ní kẹ́ lọ wá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀yin àgbàyà yìí ẹ̀yin àgbàyà tẹ́ ẹ̀ retí ọmọ kó kú in fact lọ́dọ́ lọ́dọ́ pé ẹ̀yin kan lẹ pa Mohbad kan kò sí èèyàn lè jiyàn náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ retí kó kú kẹ́ lè wá jogún ẹ̀ ni ṣé ẹ̀ bí àwọn ọmọ tó kù kẹ́ lọ tọ́jú wọn tí mi ìbá tún fò ṣọlẹ̀ tó tún kú mọ́ yín lójú sí ibà ìkílẹ̀ tún fẹ́ sọ ẹ̀ tún máa jà fún property yẹn náà ẹ̀yin àgbà òfò àgbà játijàti only but why so difficult in DNA if truly Wunmi is saying the truth she has given the go ahead why is Baba Mohbad running kìtìkìtì katakata yẹn and no one do the DNA ẹ̀yin òpònú tẹ́ ẹ̀ lọ court tẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ dé ń court tó yẹ pé nǹkan tó fi sí yín lórí tí very daft man fi sí yín lórí òun ni gbogbo yín ń tẹ̀lé ọmọ òpònú kan tí ò fọwọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ rí ẹ̀rí tó sá lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn náírà tó sọ pé wọn ò ṣe nǹkan kan ó rò pé àwọn náírà máa wí ní owó yẹn ni kó o lè gba 40% ìgbà tó ní báwọn yẹn ò wí ní owó yẹn ó sá lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn bàbá Mohbad ó tún gbé wọn mọ́ra ó lè oníjìbìtì ní bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn anywhere bẹ̀lẹ́ fèsì ni 40% ló fẹ́ gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn bàbá Mohbad tó bá wọn ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ kí property já sí wọn lọ́wọ́ 40% ló fẹ́ gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn bàbá Mohbad ta ló lè inú gbogbo wọn ẹ̀rí bó ṣe ń ranjú fẹ̀tọ̀fẹ̀tọ̀ sógún ológun kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé ìwọ gan la lọ́ba ni ṣé Mohbad mọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn rí ni kí wọ́n á ní tó wọ́n á ranjú àbí Mohbad sọ pé inú òun ò dùn bí ìyàwó àtọmọ òun ṣe máa kó property òun ṣebí torí ọmọ ló ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ àti torí ìyàwó ẹ̀ kí ni bàbá Mohbad ń fẹ́ ń di ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tó ń dàdí ogún Liam ní bàbá Mohbad ń jà fún yìí ó lè lórí ibú ó mú ọmọ kò sí. Only why all these 3 to 4 lawyers from Wunmi or DNA test. I genuinely love actress Iyabo, but I think she's doing too much. Now, but 2 words that contradict each other. Ṣé Iyabo ni lawyer ní court ni? Ó ní orí 3 to 4 lawyers. Ṣé na Iyabo be lawyer? Ó dé court wọ́n rí. Ó bá wọn dá senate rí. Ṣebí justice tó ń ṣe. From the beginning 30 pé ní failed actress. Lọ́mọ wọn àti kúrò mẹ́wọ̀n àti tonto. 30 pé wọ́n ní failed actress. Not ti kúrò ńbẹ̀. Ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ wá rí rí nǹkan kan ṣe báyìí Iyabo lẹ tún pariwo orí yín ti burú gbogbo yín papọ̀. Orí yín ò pé. Ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹ ti lọ sí báyìí ẹ ti ṣàṣedànù. Ẹ rí BDM sí ó dákẹ́ rọ́rọ́ bí omi adágún. Olóṣì tí ò ní any proof tí ò ní torí owó ní wèrè ṣe wo ebi apá ẹ ebi apá owó yín lẹ́yọ̀. She should tell Wunmi to go and do the needful. Lot of Nigerians are not happy with her from prophet Isonu àbí kí ló gbórúkọ ẹ̀. Who is not happy with her? Ìwọ nìyẹn. Ìwọ ló mọ nǹkan tó rí ọbẹ̀ tó fi wà rọwọ́. Ta ló sọ fún ẹ pé inú àwọn òdò sí? Kí ni mo fẹ́ bínú sí fún? Ṣé òun ló pa Mohbad ni? Ṣé Wunmi ló pa Mohbad ni? Tẹ́ bá sọ pé Wunmi ló pa Mohbad ẹ fún wa ní evidence. Èmi ò lè tẹ̀lé yín bá ẹ̀yin sheep níyìn. Àgùntàn níyìn. Ibi tó bá ti di orí yín sílẹ̀ máa lọ. Ẹ̀yin ò lè béèrè pé okay evidence dà pé Wunmi ló pa Mohbad. Nílé ẹjọ́ gan evidence náà lò. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ lọ́pọlọ wọ́n gbé sí yín lórí pé Wunmi ló pa Mohbad wọn ò fún yín ní evidence. Ṣebí Mr. Very Daft Man máa ń sọ pé if they tell you anything always ask for the evidence. Ṣe béèrè lọ́wọ́ Very Daft Man pé evidence dà pé Wunmi ló pa Mohbad. Rí pé daft náà. Rí pé orí yín rí pé orí gbogbo yín ò pé ó ní Nigerians are angry with Iyabo. Ó ní yín ló burú kí ló kàn wá pẹ̀lú pé ẹ bínú sí does that stop our income flow? Ṣé yẹn stop owó tó ń generate? Ìyẹn yọ owó ní account balance. Orí yín ò pé gbogbo yín papọ̀ ni o. Then ẹgbọ́rọ̀ òpònú yìí o. Ẹ jẹ́ nǹkan tí níbi tí mo ti stop lélẹ̀. Ó dà mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀ lánàá right. Ó ní Iyabo you claim I will just speed read it until it's about the big time. Iyabo you claim you are unbothered about the Mohbad situation and that you and your children are untouchable and going higher. Let's be realistic. If you are actually unbothered, you won't be setting up camera and hiding behind your heavy video filter just to prove a point. This is exactly the difference between you and someone with real class like Funke. You are not an aloba. You are not related to Mohbad. You never supported his career while he was alive, and you didn't raise him. His father did. In fact, Mohbad's son, KPK, was originally his father's son, and there is clear proof of Mohbad acknowledging his dad's massive input. Yet, you had the audacity to insult a grieving man who lost his 27-year-old son in his prime, calling him a bastard. You think you can escape the kind of pain and karma. You completely lost the plot when you stopped chasing justice and started speaking sides. You became a shield for Wunmi, ignoring the blatant facts just to protect her. You used Mama Mohbad's initial praise to claim Wunmi was a good girlfriend, even praising for your own daughter to get a mother-in-law like that. But look at what Mama Mohbad is saying now. She exposes Ashana as wicked, distant from God, heavily into voodoo, and openly stated that she is glad Mohbad never legally married her at the registry. There is a deep, dark family history here that you know absolutely nothing about, yet you force yourself into it. Problem. Where is your voice? Now that it was discovered that Ashana allegedly used forged documents to claim billions in royalties, it is absolutely not your place to hunt for Mohbad's royalty. Yet you stay silent when this came to light. Let me tell you one thing about this forged document. A wife of a man, you heard it clearly. Baba Mohbad said he paid the bride price of a woman. You heard it no Nigeria and the African TV, where he asked him that, did you pay the bride price of this girl? And he said yes. He went and paid the bride price. So if the bride price of a woman was paid, she did an introduction and a traditional marriage together with the father of the groom and the mother present and her family present. There were songs, there were people, there were food, there were everything. How can you claim a woman in African setting that married a man traditionally? How can you claim she forged his son? Because I don't understand you men. ẹ̀yin lẹ máa gbé principle sílẹ̀ pé tóbìnrin bá ti lè fẹ́ ọkùnrin ó gbọ́dọ̀ take his surname. Now she took the surname whereby she's a wife. She did not take the surname with being a girlfriend. She took the surname. They were living together. They got married. A bride price was paid. She got pregnant. She had a baby for him. Everything was official. And she took the surname of her husband. And you people are screaming she forged a document when she's married to the man. Money mo relate ẹ mọ kini kan pé tí bá mú ATM card ọkọ mi tí mo lọ mọ́ tí mo lọ fi náwó tí mo lọ fi ra nǹkan àbí tí mo lọ fi ṣe anything ṣé ẹ máa sọ fún mi wípé mo jí káàdì ọkọ mi because kò tí ì yé mi. No be the same person wey we dey live together as husband and wife I take him card. Ṣé ẹ máa sọ fún mi wípé I took my husband card, I'm a thief, I stole it when it's my husband, we live together. Mohbad Omowumi Aloba is her marriage name. Omowumi Adebanjo is her maiden name from her father's house until she got married. That is her husband's name that she adopted. How am I explaining this thing to you? Because I don't understand. Kí ló dé mama explain irú báyìí fún yín? Is it not the same thing? People bear their husband's name. So how is me having my own name from my parents, and after I got married, I have my husband's name? How is me forging my husband's name when I am living with this person? I had a baby with this person. We were together. It's not like I'm both. We were living as husband and wife, and my bride price was paid. And somebody came out to tell you that a woman that is living under a man's roof with her bride price paid, with introduction and traditional wedding done, kì í ṣe wedding tó máa ń ṣe téèyàn kan ò lè sí lára ọdọ, every family member ẹsẹ̀ pé ojú pé. She was even pregnant when the wedding was done. No be say wọ́n ní kó tó lóyún gan bàbá Mohbad àti Wùmí lọ́jọ́ wọ́n rìn káàkiri from one place to another tó ń gbàdúrà kọ́mọ yẹn lè lóyún. We saw them together. So how are you telling us that she forged name just because of money? No, tell me. Ẹ jẹ́ sọ nǹkan fún yín. Tọ́ta ọkọ mi bá kú lẹ́nu kò tẹ̀ ní bàbá mọ́. Sùn bá sọ pé ṣé bàbá ẹ̀ ló máa bá mi jà fún nǹkan tèmi àti ẹ̀jọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ fún ni, because I don't understand. Just imagine. Make sure your daughter did not marry into a poor family. Irú problem with mama ṣẹlẹ̀. Make sure pé bàbá ọkọ ọmọ ẹ̀ ó rí jẹ kì í ṣe ìṣẹ́ mú lẹ́jẹ̀ bí ẹ̀gbẹ́ iṣu. Moving on. Only yet, Queen Mother stayed silent when this came to light. What does she have to do with this? Because I don't understand. What does she have to do? Only look around you. Where is the solidarity for your industry colleague, from your industry colleague? They are completely silent because they see through the drama. Even the private WhatsApp group you thought was safe was leaked to VDM by someone right under your nose who is sick of your methods. Let me tell you another thing. The colleagues know they respond before Mohbad fight. Nobody used to. Ṣebí Davido tó fún wọn ní owó wípé kán lọ fi bury Mohbad. Ṣebí ẹ tó rún mọ́ pé ó lọ gérun ẹ̀ ni. Ṣé èní ànàkọ́ ni àwọn celebrity Nigeria tó ti máa make sure pé àwọn ò bá yín dá sẹ́ni tí kí àyẹ̀ jẹ yín kó jẹ yín gbé. No be today wey they used to make sure pé ẹ má bá wọn dá sí o wọ́n ìwọ́ ara wọn ò mórí o. Davido tó mówó lẹ̀ 2 million pé nǹkan báyìí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ẹ fún bàbá ẹ̀ ní 2 million kò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ kó gbó sí lápò ní orí ló yọ Davido pé kó wà present ẹ̀mọ̀ bó ti wà yẹn ó máa ń dé gbogbo bí ni he is a very very good guy ẹ̀ bá rògbò ẹ̀ pé ó mọ̀ nípa ikú Mohbad. Reason ní táwọn celebrity tọ́wọ̀n kì í fi ń ràn yà yín torí irú àwọn olórí burúkú bíi eléyìí náà. Torí irú àwọn you want celebrity was celebrity in Nigeria were they always involved with anything political? Their colleagues wọ́n kú pípípí wọn tẹ̀ ní dára wọn lóhùn ṣe bí wọ́n máa ń sọ when I needed something nobody check on me nobody call me nobody dára wọn ní. Láàrin ara wọn nìyẹn tábà sọ pé masses nobody hate Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. she stood for the boy. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ sọ pé she should go, she's manipulating. Kí lẹ̀ yìí rí ṣe látijọ́ tẹ̀ tí ń ṣe àti VDM aláṣetì. Ẹ̀yin dead body activist kí lẹ̀ rí ṣe Only the WhatsApp group was leaked. When the WhatsApp group was leaked, kí lẹ come back. Show me evidence ikú tó pa Mohbad jáde. Show me anything that. Ó leak kò leak what up? Ó dá lórí yín pé. Remember when you were caught red-handed watching Bukky Jese's show during your grandson's dedication? You are not as untouchable as you think. Gbogbo èèyàn ló wá wo show wa now. Ẹ gbàgbé àwọn celebrity máa ń wò wọ́n máa ń lo fake account. Kò séyàn tó ọjọ́ tí wọ́n bá lásán pé òun lọ sásọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ sọ wọ́n máa ń gbọ́ Facebook fracas mẹ́. Kò séyàn tó kì í wò. Ṣé èèyàn kan ní celebrity ni? Wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń sọ kíní kan wèrè dùn wò kò ṣeé ṣe kíni kò ṣeé bí lọ́mọ ni. Èèyàn kan láwọn celebrity ni. So kí ló wá kí ni bàbàrà tọ́wọ̀ ní fi wo show yìí? Èèyàn náà ni wọ́n náà àwọn náà ń gbádùn ẹ̀. Wọ́n gbádùn gbogbo fracas gbogbo orí burúkú tẹ̀ ń ṣe. Wọ́n kàn wò báyìí wọ́n gbádùn. Ìyábọ̀, the Bible is very clear about the consequence of mocking the broken-hearted and twisting justice. So Ìyábọ̀ can twist the whole justice and the whole Nigerian judiciary system. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo sáǹtì bàbá Mohbad gbà wọn ò rí answer. Ìyábọ̀ ló dé twist gbogbo justice àlórí ní òpè. The Lord perform righteous deeds and judgment for all who are oppressed. Psalm 103 verses. And the scripture warns that the consequence of iniquities can follow a lineage even unto the third and the fourth generation. Exodus 34:7. Let me tell you something. Ẹ̀yin ẹ̀ tí ẹ rò pé what if ṣe read the same Bible ló sọ pé kẹ́ ẹ wádìí ohun gbogbo dájú. That is evidence. Kẹ́ ẹ sì di ilé tó ń jó òótọ́ nínú ẹ̀. So kí ni consequence ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ wádìí ohun gbogbo dájú pé Wùmí ló pa Mohbad? Tẹ́ ẹ ní evidence tẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ ń join masses láti attack ẹ̀. Kí ni Bible sọ pé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ fún yín? Kí ni Bíbélì àbí ṣe bá fẹ́ máa quote Bible ni? Kí ni Bíbélì sọ pé ó máa ṣe yín? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ wádìí ohun gbogbo dájú tẹ́ ẹ̀ dẹ̀ délé tó ń jó òótọ́ mú inú ẹ̀. Kí ni Bible sọ pé ó máa ṣe yín? Kí ni ó sọ pé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín? Ẹ jẹ́ a máa lò fúnra wa bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìyábọ̀, stop using filter to mask the panic. The truth is catching up, and no amount of damage control can erase the part you played in covering up the fact. Ìyábọ̀ doesn't cover up anything. She silence, una talk. She talk, una talk. Go ni hair, then breathe. Emma Keku. She VDM come with suya paper telling us say evidence full here. Evidence full here. She Ìyábọ̀ lọ gba paper yẹn lọ́wọ́ VDM nítorí I don't understand. How is she covering up anything? How is she doing damage control? She did not even talk concerning what VDM has to say. She did not counter. She did not talk. She's just doing Pepe Yo with Goldberg. She's just doing Ambassador Pepe Yo. Brand Ambassador Pepe Yo. She's just doing it. Now una still dey cry. She did not twist. She did not confirm. She did not deny. She kò tí ẹ gbẹ́nu sọ̀rọ̀ tí VDM ló sọ. Still no. Kò ẹ wà restless. Ní gbádùn tẹ́ ẹ máa fi kú. Ṣebí wèrè lẹ́gbẹ̀rẹ̀ yín. Ní gbádùn tẹ́ ẹ máa fi kú. This is what I keep telling you people. These people, they are like sheep. Àgùntàn ni wọ́n. They no get brain. They no get sense. All they know is ẹjẹ́ àlọ́bàjà, ẹjẹ́ àlọ́bàyàbọ̀jà, ìtàlọ́màbàjà lẹ́ni. That is the only thing they know. The woman has literally done nothing to all of you. She sit down. VDM used 4 days. 4 days ìkọ́ni tó fi gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ wá tó ń create content lórí òkú ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tó kú tó fi ń create content tó ní Tupac kú wípé ó lo 30 years kan tó rí nǹkan tó pa. So technically òun máa lo 50 years lórí òkú Mohbad. Ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ò tẹ̀ tí ní kú nígbà tí VDM bá ṣe ń ṣe? Àbí ṣé mo parọ́ ni? Kí ni assurance gbọ́n nǹkan fún ara ẹ̀ gan máa di 50 years tó fẹ́ lò lórí òkú Mohbad pẹ̀lú 33 years tó ti lò sí? That is just it. Ìyábọ̀ has never twisted anything. She did not do damage control. She let VDM dátọ̀ wẹ̀lẹ̀. Ìgbà tí VDM ò dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ ẹjọ́ láti it's over 24 hours now that VDM has posted o. Ó ti ń lọ 2 days nsìn, ó ti ń lọ 48 hours o. Kò mójú tó fi máa wá fèsì yín, ó wá gbé kidney wá. they remove kidney, they orí ẹ̀ ti burú, and ìgbẹ́ evidence Mohbad tó ní jáde. If you get any evidence, bring them out. Take it to court. In fact, ìyẹn ló tẹ̀ tó máa dùn ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ nail Queen Mother àti Wunmi ni. You get evidence, take your evidence to court. Any other thing apart from that, you guys are stupid. You guys are stupid. Tí Bible tẹ̀ ń quote tó tún sọ pé kẹ́ ẹ wádìí ohun gbogbo dájú. Kẹ́ ẹ wádìí ohun gbogbo dájú. Ṣé ẹ wádìí dájú àbẹ́ wà ń bẹ̀ bí tí Wunmi ti ń pa Mohbad? Ṣé ẹ wà ń bẹ̀? Àwọn tó wọ́n press Mohbad nǹkan lẹ́ ń gbé gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́ lọ́jọ́ tẹ̀lé. You are praising his oppressor and you are bullying his family because the boy is no more. Where were you, all of you, when Mohbad was alive? Ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe sí Wunmi iṣẹ́ lè ṣe? Àbí tó wáyé kó wọ́n gbàrò Mohbad gbàrò yá ọtí ẹ̀ta ló máa fi tọ́jú ṣé kìí ṣe ìyàwó àtọmọ ẹ̀ náà? So what the hell is wrong with you? Ìgbà tó gbalé tó ń gbé ní Lẹ́kì ṣé bàbá ẹ̀ ló gbé sínú ẹ̀? Ìgbà tó gba mọ́tò ṣé bàbá ẹ̀ ló gbé sínú àbí ìyàwó àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀? Ìyàwó àtọmọ ẹ̀ kan ló kó síbẹ̀ àtàwọn àbúrò ẹ̀. So why the cry for God's sake? Kí ló dé? Ìyàbọ̀ is your problem. Una go cry bucket. Video not thinking. Who bring bucket? Who they cry? Who bring the bucket? Queen Mother, don't break the bucket again. Let him use it to cry. Mr. Loba, Vincent Loba, how market? Àtàwọn wèrè tó dá síta. Ẹ máa just share sinku ni. Take your evidence to court if you really sure for una. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gbádùn tẹ́ pasán ayé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ torí yín ò tiẹ̀ pé wọ́n gbogbo yín wọ́n kó fún yín bí pé wọ́n ti dé ọpọlọ yín sínú ìgò ni. Wọ́n kó fún yín. VDM that is telling us everybody make sure that if they tell you anything, collect the evidence. Collect the evidence. He get to his son, una no ask him for evidence. He get to his son, una no ask him for evidence. You are going to do this, you are going to do that, and you are shiri buku. Very set of mumu people. You are going to do this. She obstruct justice. She shaking it. She did not let you shaking it. Only Kamari, Abogbe, Ogbe Wumi, sorry, be plantain, on Kiri a kaki. Aboni Kamashan got a fish, Bobo, Abayo, Abadade, Bobo, got a show, no. She bear Lule, no. Not be Lule nation. And you could not hear. I just tell what be war. We don't get to that time. Queen Mother only time. He showed you our want for you to see my word. Maybe I'm worrying, I want to for you.